Welcome to TRN News. The situation in Seven Kingdom is bad, and let's hear from locals.
Greetings, Westeros. Alara Vance for TRN News. King's Landing dust has settled, but discontent across the Seven Kingdoms grows.
Peace? My home's dust. My family scattered. For a cripple on the throne? We burned for their games. Where's justice?
They took our queen, our ships. Now they want loyalty to a king with no fleet?
Bandits are still here. The new king? No guards. Who protects us? Who feeds us? We just want to be safe.
The night watch shifts are too long, the weather is freezing, and we have a lack of soldiers.
After 1,000 years, I finally thought we had it, only to be destroyed by a little girl with a toothbrush of a sword.